Hey, so your custom domain isn't connecting to your card site. That's a common issue, and usually it's an easy fix. In this guide, I'll walk you through all the reasons your domain might not work and how to fix each one step by step. First, make sure you're using a Card Pro plan. Custom domains don't work on free accounts, so if you're on free, you'll need to upgrade. Make sure you entered your domain correctly in Card. Even a small typo can prevent the connection from working. Go to your domain provider's DNS settings and make sure you added a CNAME record correctly. The host should be www, and it should point to card.co. If you already have A records or other CNAME records for www, they can conflict. Delete any conflicting records so only cards CNAME remains. If you want your domain without www to work, set up a redirect from uati to www.yourdomain.com in your domain provider. DNS changes don't happen instantly. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours for your domain to fully connect. Go back to Card, enter your domain, and click Check. If everything is correct, Card will verify it and allow you to publish. If it still doesn't work, clear your browser cache or try another browser. Sometimes cached data prevents the update from showing. Card automatically adds SSL, but it may take a little time. If your site says not secure, wait a bit and refresh. The HTTPS should activate automatically. If nothing works, contact Card support or your domain provider. Share your domain and DNS settings. They can quickly identify the issue. So yeah, that's how to fix Card domain connection issues. Check your CNAME, remove conflicts, set redirects, and give DNS time to update. Once everything is correct, your domain should connect perfectly.